An Orleans care home offered a message of thanks today to nurses and other staff at CHEO.
Many health workers were deployed to the home at a time of crisis during the beginning of the pandemic. Here's CTV's Peter Sperling.
There were very dark days at the beginning of the pandemic for the Madonna Care Community in Orleans and so many other homes.
Unfortunately had the beginnings of a large outbreak.
It was a time of crisis as COVID outbreaks were taking the lives of residents and staff.
One of the biggest things we needed was staffing. We needed support. We needed people to come in and help care for our seniors.
A lot of their own staff were sick and a lot of their residents were ill, so they needed help.
Sienna Senior Living, Madonna Care Community in Orleans, put out a call for help. The nurses and other staff at CHEO answered.
CHEO was not in need as much as they are now, and we jumped at the opportunity to offer our assistance.
A pivot from taking care of the youngest patients to the oldest.
When you think people are in need, we wanted to help our community. It's the first thing. You jump in with 2 feet as a nurse. That's always one of the reasons I went into nursing.
Now, at a time when CHEO is struggling with an overflowing ICU, respiratory illness like RSV, the flu, and COVID hitting kids hard, Sienna Senior Living is returning a favor and saying thanks. Sienna Senior Living donating $25,000, the money being used to create a care cart, providing snacks and other comfort items to those working tirelessly at CHEO.
Maybe more importantly, it's a reminder to them that while they're working so hard in extraordinarily challenging circumstances internally here, the community is behind them.
During time of crisis, that's when you really know who your friends are. And CHEO went above and beyond during COVID crisis at some of our homes.
A gesture and gift, which will hopefully have an impact on those taking care of the youngest of patients in need.
I think it's really beautiful.
Peter Sperling, CTV News.